Hey there, history buffs! Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of ancient skills and how they've shaped our modern industry. Let's kick things off with weaving. This art form has roots deep in human history, inspired by none other than the animal kingdom. Think about the spider's web or a bird's nest. These intricate creations showed early humans the potential of weaving. Long before modern machinery, people were weaving bark, leaves, and grass fibers into clothing, carpets, and tapestries. Some of these ancient products were of such high quality that even today's technology struggles to match them. Take the Aleutian women, for example. They would spend an entire year weaving a single robe. North American Indians also showcased remarkable skill, creating blankets and garments adorned with fringes and vibrant embroideries dyed with berry juice. These colours were so vivid that, as Father Theodote remarked, contemporary dyes simply couldn't compare. Early humans didn't stop at weaving. They polished bird and fish bones, as well as bamboo shoots, into needles. They also turned animal tendons into delicate threads, capable of passing through the finest needles we use today. Bark was beaten into mats and cloths, skins were dried for clothing and shoes, and fibers were twisted into incredibly strong yarns. And then there's basketry. Early humans wove supple branches and coloured filaments into baskets that remain unparalleled in beauty even by modern standards. From basketry, the art of pottery emerged. Clay was applied to wickerwork to prevent it from burning, eventually hardening into a fireproof shell. This process might have sparked the creation of ceramics. Clay hardened by the sun likely inspired early humans to use fire, giving birth to the ceramic art, which evolved into countless shapes for cooking, storing, and transporting goods. Designs etched into wet clay were among the earliest forms of art and possibly an origin of writing. Primitive tribes also used sun-dried clay to make bricks and adobe, literally dwelling in pottery. As the building art evolved, so did the types of dwellings. Some primitive people slept in hollow trees, caves, or simple wind shelters made of branches. Over time, these shelters became more sophisticated, turning into huts large enough to house entire families. Nomadic hunters and herdsmen preferred portable tents. Higher nature peoples, like the American Indians, took things a step further, constructing sprawling edifices out of timber. The Iroquois, for instance, built longhouses that could shelter multiple families. Eventually, the natives of Oceania perfected the wooden dwelling, completing the evolution from primitive shelters to structured homes. From weaving and pottery to architecture, these ancient skills laid the groundwork for the industries we rely on today. Thanks for joining me on this historical journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into history's hidden gems. Catch you in the next one.